Okay, so welcome back to our number system. Today we are going to learn how to convert decimal number system into binary number system. Okay, so last class we have studied four types of number system are there. So today we are going to learn how to convert decimal number system into binary number system. So now quickly we are going to see what is the method. So method is you have to divide the number by 2, note down remainder and quotient, then repeat the steps till quotient becomes 0. क्या करना है आपको? 2 से डिवाइड करना है नंबर को, रिमाइंडर को एक साइड में नोट डाउन करना है और क्वोशिएंट को दूसरे साइड में नोट डाउन करना है, नीचे के साइड में. ठीक है, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू वेयर टू नोट डाउन रिमाइंडर एंड वेयर टू नोट डाउन क्वोशिएंट. और ये स्टेप कब तक आपको रिपीट करना है? टिल योर क्वोशिएंट बिकम 0. Okay, so we are going to take example where we are going to convert 25 into your binary number system. So in example, convert 25 into binary number system. So what we are going to do, क्या बोला आपको फर्स्ट स्टेप में? डिवाइड नंबर बाय 2. Now what is our number? 25. If you are going to divide 25 by 2, what will be your remainder? ठीक है, it's a odd number. Whenever you are going to divide odd number by your even number, as 2 is your even number, so what will be the remainder? 1. रिमाइंडर हमेशा 2 से डिवाइड करने के बाद क्या आएगा? या तो 0 आएगा या 1 आएगा. तो नाउ दिस 25 इज odd number, so what will be the remainder? 1. Then what you have to do? You have to note down quotient in this area. So now what is the quotient? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 25 को 2 से डिवाइड करके quotient is 12 and remainder is your 1. Okay, so if you are going to see, यहाँ देखो मैं इंसर्ट कर देती हूँ. What we are going to note down here? Quotient in this area and remainder in this area. Okay, so the first quotient is our 25. किससे डिवाइड करना है आपको? ऑलवेज बाय 2. Okay, note down the quotient in this area and remainder here. Now again divide 12 by 2. Now 12 is your even number. What is the remainder? 0. And what is the quotient where you have to note down here? So what you are going to note down? 6. Now our number becomes 6. Okay, this we have to repeat till our number become 0. Again you have to note down this 2. 2 3s are 6. It is your even number, so remainder is 0 and quotient is your 3. Now again divide by 2. 2 को 3 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे. 3 is your odd number. यहाँ रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा आपका? 1 and quotient is also 1 because you are going to write 2 1s are 2 and the remainder is 1. Now 1 is remaining. Again divide by 2. 1 is divisible by 2? No. So what will be the remainder? 1. And what will be the quotient? 0. And what we have to do? We have to repeat this step till your quotient become 0. So now our quotient is 0. The first time our quotient was your 25. जब आपने 25 को 2 से डिवाइड किया, because 25 is your odd number, तो रिमाइंडर क्या आया? 1. 12 is your even number, रिमाइंडर क्या आया? 0. 6 is your even number, रिमाइंडर क्या आया? 0. 3 is your odd number, रिमाइंडर क्या आया? 1. 1 is your odd number, रिमाइंडर क्या आया आपका? 1. And then the last quotient is your 0. Now these numbers which are in the remainder, this is our answer. So what we have to, how we have to note down the answers? See, we have to note down the answers in the reverse order. Means you have to note down the answer in reverse order. तो कैसे नोट डाउन करेंगे हम? यहाँ देखते हैं. सबसे पहला आपका क्या आया, मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 25 इज योर डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. तो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 25 डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम है, मीन्स इसका क्या है, बेस क्या है आपका 10. ओके, दिस इज योर बेस. देन दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू, अब ये यहां से नोट डाउन करना उल्टे नंबर से. तो दिस विल बी योर फर्स्ट डिजिट, तो 1, देन 1, then 0, again 0 and 1. So this is your binary number system, and if the binary number system is there, you will be putting as base 2. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपको क्या लिखना है 2. तो this is the type of question. Suppose the question come, convert 25 into binary number system. What you have to do? You have to make a table like that. ओके, इन योर नोटबुक. 25 क्वोशंट यहाँ है, रिमाइंडर यहाँ है, Q देन R. ओके, देन डिवाइड बाय 2, नोट डाउन द रिमाइंडर, नोट डाउन द क्वोशंट, अगेन डिवाइड बाय 2, नोट डाउन द रिमाइंडर, नोट डाउन क्वोशंट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. ओके, नाउ इन अनदर एग्जांपल आई एम गोइंग टू टेक हियर नंबर as you are suppose 305. okay, we have to convert 305 into your binary number system. What we have to do? We have to divide by 2 and we have to note down the quotient here and remainder this side. So what we are going to do here, 305, if you are going to divide by 305, as 305 is your odd number, what you are going to do, remainder will be your 1. okay, now the quotient, what will be the quotient, what you are going to do, 2 1s are 2, then 0 है means your zeros are, and 5 है, sorry, if you are going to divide, see, if you are going to divide 305, okay, by 2, what you are getting here, 3, 2 1s are 2, then remainder is 1. You are going to note down the 0 here, then 5s are 10, यहाँ remainder नहीं बचा, then we are going to note down your 5. okay, यहाँ remainder नहीं बचा, then what you are going to write, 2s are 4 and the remainder is your 1. So what is our answer, 152 here. okay, and 152 के बाद यहाँ पर हम क्या लिखेंगे, 152. and what is the now quotient here, 152. you have to again divide by 2. remainder is your 0 because even number is there. then we have to divide. So what will be the quotient, 7 and 6, 76. Again divide by 2. What will be the remainder, 0. And what will be the quotient, 3s are and 1 there, so 8s are. okay, again divide by 2, 38, even number is there. What will be the remainder, 0. then you have to write down here, again divide by 2, what we have to divide, that is your 1 and 9, 19. okay, now 19 को अगर आपने डिवाइड किया, what you are getting, remainder as 1, then quotient will be your 9. okay, again 9 divided by 2, so the remainder is 1 and the quotient is your 4. 2 divided by 4, remainder is 0 because now it's a even number and quotient is your 2. again divide by 2, this will be your 1s are, sorry, remainder is 0 and the quotient is 1. okay, again divide by 2, now the remainder is 1 and the quotient is 0. So note down these numbers.